Welcome to my channel Tools for Ascension by Wolfgang, and I'm Wolfgang, and today we will be talking about, let's say, your jewelry or your talisman, or your divine geometry. And, see if it's actually benevolent or not. The thing is that you have to understand that jewelry is like a battery. They need to get charged up, and actually they also absorb dark chi. So if your jewelry is loaded up or your talisman is loaded up with dark chi, maybe it absorbed a psychic hit on you, or you were on a heavy metal concert, with tons of all kinds of stuff floating around. And so this stuff may be full of it. And so it's really important for the spiritual person to maintain this type of hygiene, right? I mean, yeah, you wash your underwear too, right? So same way. So here's some jewelry that I haven't worn for a long time. This here is like, a little chakra stones on a silver pendant, with a nice flat polished quartz crystal, kind of on the milky side. So I'm gonna just hold this in my right hand and ask, what my pendulum. So I ask my high self and spirit guides, Archangel Michael, to make sure that I, get correct information, the truth, nothing but the truth. Let's say, am I gonna get the truth? Yes or no? I'm getting 100%. I'm not sure how this looks from your perspective. Okay, so I want to know, positive influence, from this pendant, the way it is right now. It's 100%. And what is the negative influence from it? So it's 20%. I'm getting a slight headache. All right. So on the other side, I am having, well, this is kind of like a lotus symbol, with a rhodochrosite in the center. So, divine geometry, silver. And how is this positively affecting me? 10%. So there's no good energy in it. How is it negatively affecting me? So it's about 90. So this thing is dirty. Let me put this onto the symbol here, the divine symbol. I have a video on it. I'm just, this is what I use, and I can feel a shift already. You might feel it too. A more smiley energy, So I'm not running any chi into this here. Nothing. I'm completely passive here. So I don't know, this was maybe 30 seconds. So I want to know now. Positive energy, 100%. How is it negatively affecting me? No. Okay, cool. Let's see here. This one, was positive, 90, negative effect, it's still 10, 15. Let's put it on there. And now I'm also gonna run some love into this, and actually let me keep this here. So this is the positive influence. Now I'm gonna start running love into this here. Yeah, I feel it kicking in now. Now I'm getting some heavenly vibration. Ooh, yeah, you might even be feeling this. Yeah. So this one is good now. Let's take another piece of jewelry. I think this one I kind of called spirit amethyst, and with an eagle and a little Celtic knot, you could say, on silver. And yeah, it's just been hanging there for a long time. So let me ask the pendulum, how much positive influence from this nothing positive. So battery is kind of drained. It hasn't even been polished. How much negative influence? Yeah, so 100%. So this has been working kind of as a vacuum cleaner, I would say. Let's just put this on here. And I'm just gonna send some love into it, speed it up. So I want to see the positive influence. It's already at 100. And how about the negative influence? Well, clear, 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 clear. Ooh. Yeah, it's starting to feel better. Still has a little headachy energy. So we ask, please clear all thought forms. And maybe spells, curses, jealousy, and envy, as well as, stuff that was put on maybe by jewelry maker. All the impure thoughts. And just peering out here. Alright, so let's see. I have charged it up positively. How much positive influence from this now? And how much negative influence? Yeah, no negative influence there. Alright, now here I have, like it's like a little orgone generator with a hexagram up front and little jewels, chakra jewels you could say, and a little spiral, copper spiral in the middle, and the copper filings in here. And let's see, how this packs out. It has been just hanging there for a long time. So, what is your positive influence on me? 100%. So that's good. It's probably divine geometry. And what's the negative influence on me? 100% too. Probably these stones are contaminated. Good. So this time I will purify it in the old style method. Shamanic style, you could say. I'm gonna just inhale love and then send it over this pendant and with the thought form of clearing. So let's see how it works now. So what's the positive influence on me? Definitely 100%. What's the negative influence on me? No, it's looks like a 0. And now let's top it off a little bit. So I would call this love and healing, right? Healing is also love, healing, and protection. Let's just put that in there. So I'm thinking now, love, healing, and protection, and create that vibe, that cozy vibe, of being loved, of being healed and protected, and put this into this pendant here. Three times, and that probably glows in the dark now. Yeah, that's how you do your jewelry, and and keep it squeaky clean and sparkling. I have a lot of videos. Just give me thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and leave comments. I love you a long time. I'm available for private lessons. Namaste.